Hi guys, we're gonna vacuum the cat, and it's gonna be interesting. Okay, Louie should be bringing the cat. Oh, here she comes.
Oh, pretty kid. Yeah.
Are you ready to get vacuumed? Ew, you can just like pull her hair out.
I know, don't do that.
Grody. Okay.
It's gonna be worse this summer.
She's gonna be screaming. Oh, she's getting all over you. That's gross.
I know.
Look at this. Look, let's zoom on it.
Oh, that.
Wait, where's your... Okay, you can't really tell, but...
They have those things for dogs, that Floby thing or whatever.
We need one for her.
Hey. Come here.
Ninja move. Aww! It's too bright to really tell.
Oh, tell what?
That she's doing a ninja move. Like spreading her legs.
Whoa. He just...
I know, I don't know how you're going to keep her in there.
Because we don't really have a door. Because it's a game room.
Butt?
Did I see her butt?
Yeah.
She doesn't like you.
She likes me.
Give her a kiss.
She actually looks a little bit mellow right now.
Yeah, than usual at least. She looks like she's just chilling.
She's going to fall asleep.
She's gonna, aww, and then we vacuum her. She's gonna freak out.
Oh, you just freaked her out.
Well, she didn't.
Hey, don't leave her alone.
Dance with her.
No, leave her alone. She's gonna go. Look at her.
Ew.
Yeah, I'm dancing. And
And then we vacuum her. She's gonna.
This cat.
yeah.
Because her hair.
Plug this in over there.
He just got it scared.
Okay. Plugging in. Okay, hold her down, Louie. If she runs away, go catch her.
Okay.
She's gonna get scared just by the noise.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Wait. We have to get it easy so they can. Okay. Uh-oh, I don't want her to scratch you, Lou. Boo. Here, let me. No. Okay. Hurry. You might like it after a while. I know. You like getting petted. Blue, let her get it the other side. Get her hands back. Woo! Can you see it, Louie? Is it in there? Okay, in a minute we're gonna let her go. Ew. Okay. Come here, Lou. Let me see your pants. Come here. Oh. Ew. You're a hairy boy. Hurry. Okay. And that was us vacuuming the cat. And now there's hair everywhere.
I know. We made more hair.
She enjoyed it after a while, though. Bye.
Ugh. Gross.